What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can give the individual description for each of the following location which we have. So let's begin. So to do so, first let me just import the file code pandas and let me just copy this line data. So guys, we'll give the status of the volcano in this pop-up. For every each individual volcano, we will give the description of each one. Let's say historical, tropical, etc., etc. So how can we do that? For that, first we simply get the list of the all the volcanoes list data, and here in data, let's say status status, and here the for loop we will pass the value of these SPA, and here we will simply put E, and if I run this out, oops, python map.py, and okay, and if I refresh this page, let's see, is historical, that I don't know what's the name. Then here's the username for other, here's the other one, and other one, other one, other one, other one. All are different. So try it yourself and play with these codes yourself. By if you have any kind of doubt, by now if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.